ekhaya emakhaya ami kukwamhlaba iyalingana akazi noma ukuze ngomhlaba iyalingana.
Emduma.
From umhlaba iyalingana, then I grew up there, ngafunda khona isikole ngenza 18 sengizofunda. I went to UP ngenza my first qualification, ngagraduate ngase ngiya kwenye campus futhi e-UK ngayokwenza i-teaching again, ngaba futhi ngathola i-qualification yokuba uthisha. And then ngithe mangicede ukuba uthisha-ke bengingawuthola umsebenzi, so ngangiyisa la eThekwini. And then I was like, no man, ngikade ngangithanda into yokuba music industry, but I feel like man sengine-idea yokuthi yini ngifuna ukuyenza kahle. Ngikade ngangifuna ukuba ku-entertainment. And then ngabona ukuthi no, I think ngithanda more le side ukuthi ngibe u-DJ. Then ngase ngiqala isikole se-DJ-ke ngaleso sikhathi. I started DJing with 2021 late, it was around October. Ngiqala sengithola ama-gigs like small games, and then from there ngiyeke.
Okay. So ngubani okhule ulalela ingoma zakhe Miss Enhle, like ngubani okumotivateile? Hello? Uyangizwa Miss Enhle?
Khona into engimisile nje kancane, I think isilahlekele.
Okay, ngubani oye wakumotivate kwimvumi? Yeah, umotivate ngubani kwi-musicians esele ziphumelele? Like emplapa sekhaya.
Motivateile kakhulu because ngiqala uku-DJ like ngiyangizwa?
Yeah, siyakuzwa kakuhle. Miss Enhle? Ndicingile uba ke mhlawumbi ke siphulukene naye ngenxa ke emphulapha sekhaya ye-network sisaqhuba ke naye bese siyivile ke ingoma yakhe emnandi kakhulu ebethe wabe kanti ke usifisa yona ingoma yepiano. Igama lengoma lithi 6. Usebenze noZulu Black noPrince Bulo. Prince Bulo ke siyamazi uthanda usebenza ke noTira bunintsi bexesha. Masiphinde ke simzame uMiss Enhle sibone uba ke siyamfumana imizuzu yakho 12 emva kwentsimbi yakhe ngo-5 o'clock namhlanje. Miss Enhle, ubusotsho ke into yoba ngubani okumotivateile?
Okay, sorry for losing me. I think it's making a connection angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Okay.
So, as I was so saying, baningi abantu ama-DJs, female DJs, amakhulu njengabo-DJs Enhle ebengibabuka, ngibona ukuthi no man, ngiyayithanda lento abayenzayo. But ngisayingane ngisakhula, bekungekho lula for me ukuthi ngifina ngicede isikole ngifuna ukuba u-DJ because indawo ngizalelwe endaweni yasemakhaya abayi-understand into yokuthi ingane ngavele uyobu-DJ. Engathi uma uqeda isikole ungahamba mhlawumbe uyobudokotela, uyobu-social worker, you know, izinto ezijwayelekile abazazi. So ngathi uma sengiyitholile i-qualification leyo ngathi no, kahle kahle this is what I wanted kwasekuqaleni. So o-DJ abaningi especially like-female DJs ibona abantu engababuka ngifuna ukuthi no, one day ngiyathanda nami ukuba ngibe sezingeni elinjengabo, ngifinyelele kwizinga labo and be able to play eklabhini abantu bedance and listen to me.
Okay, kuvakaleka kamandi. Let's talk about your song. Ithi 6. Le ngoma ikhuluma ngani Miss Enhle, plus le ngoma iqhuba kanjani so far?
Oh, so this is actually my second song. Ingoma yami yokuqala iphume it was last year. So this one, because ngibonile ukuthi, because I was like ngiwudidini obephakathi nendawo ngingakabi nayisho ukuthi kahle kahle ngifuna ukuthi ngiyiphi i-genre until ngize ngizidiscover ukuthi no, I feel like i-genre engi-enjoya more uma ngi-DJ amapiano. So let me collaborate with abantu abenza amapiano and come up with the song. So mina i-idea yami was like ngafika ne-idea like ye-sound engiyifunayo ku-producer. I told him ukuthi kahle kahle ngifuna, because I live in Durban, ngifuna amapiano nokuba yigo, but it's piano because ngidlala kakhulu in Durban. I want Durban people to enjoy it because they love into enegqomu, into enesigubhu. And then was it look black with vocals, and then special up and that, man, let's put ulayini ojwayelekile ojwayele abantu abazothi uma bewuzwa they relate to on, because into ejwayelekile, people they like to post their pictures and say like don't speak how. So we were like, let's come up with ulayini ojwayelekile more figure abantu beyikhethe kalula ingoma. So that is how we came up with the song.
How is it doing so far?
On TikTok, especially because ikona la bese siyiphampa khona, because we release it on Friday. So far, people are happy about it. Siyabona abantu bangenile challenge, they doing it. We are happy with the reaction, and I am really, really happy. Abantu ngazathi bayayithanda bayithokozela because of your reaction from TikTok and other social platforms. And also because I'm a DJ, then ngidlala kwezinye indawo, and people are like, why are we not able to sing that song? I'm like, I can't pull. That is how you see with people, they really love it.
Okay, Miss Enhle, it's 2023. Singalindelani from kuwe this year?
Sorry?
It's 2023. What can we expect from you this year? Mhlambi EP okanye i-album ingaphuma soon?
Yeah, I feel like this year for now I am pushing this single ukuthi release it, and then after that ngizoqala ngisebenze on the music video. That is all engizama ukuthi ngiyiphuthe namanje, and my modeling career as well. So abantu bazalindela nje to see me more on their screen, because I am also working on my acting career as well. Yeah, we'll talk about that some other day.
Okay, so abantu abawuthandayo nabawufunayo umculo wakho utholakala kuphi? U-available kweziphi i-platforms?
Friday uzobe usutholakala kuwona wonke nje ama-platforms, kungaya ngokuthi umlaleli yena iyiphi emsebenzelayo or ayisebenzisayo, but from Friday morning bangangena nje uma ukuthi usebenzisa u-Apple Music, Spotify, wonke nje, YouTube, everywhere izobe isisumiso i-6. Ungayisearcha nje Enhle featuring Zulu Black and Prince Bulo uthi 6 izovela nje.
Okay, ndiyafuna ke ukukhulula, but ke ndiyafuna nochekisha mhlawumbe omnye umuntu ucomfortable ukuthetha okanye ukucula nokusebenza yedwa. Wena khatsho into yoba who would you most like to collaborate with?
I cannot mention names, but because I am here and I am willing to work, and 40 inhloso yami ukuthi ngisebenze with like big producers and big artists. So for me, especially like Amapiano producers or Amapiano DJs or artists, I am really, really looking forward to this collaboration now in few months or few years. So you can actually like expect anything, any collaboration.
Okay, Miss Enhle, masikunike ithuba ukuthi ke ukhuthaze intsha phela. Bakhona amantombazana afuna ukufana nawe abengo DJ aproduce, ungathini kubo ukubakhuthaza?
Didn't get that right, but I guess I think like motivation to youth people or young people
Yes.
abafuna ukuba kwi-industry.
Mhm.
Usho kanjalo when I'm mistaken.
Yes.
Into engingayisho ukuthi abantu they must believe in their dream. Because into enye futhi into ebukeka ngazathi abazali abakhona ukusupporta kulama dreams, especially kuma dreams amayelana ne-entertainment. Ingoba abazali uma kuwukuthi abazali abadala nabasemakhaya njengami kuba nzima for them ukuthi be-understand ukuthi le career iyi-career life. So wena as ingane noma as umuntu ofunayo ukuba kule industry wena okumele utshengise umzali izinto ezinhle ngokuba kule industry ukuthi akusikho about going out and drinking or smoking amahabi. If you're going there, you are going to work. So you must be able to convince your parents noma abantu abadala ohlala nabo bakubhekile uba convince ukuthi this is actually into oyifunayo ukuyenza and nge-support sabo futhi you are willing to do it and show them ukuthi ungayenza living ne-entertainment industry. And also ukuthi mase befikile-ke khona besebenze ngokuzikhandla because the competition is very high. So mase ufikile khona make sure ukuthi nawe uba able to compete because imisebenzi aminingi nje uhleli nawe kumele uphume ngaphandle uhambe uyibheke imisebenzi amathuba awethu uhleli. So you must really make sure ukuthi you are working very hard.
Okay, Miss Enhle utholakala kuphi on socials, bakuthola kanjani and for bookings?
On social media, on Instagram, Miss_Enhle_Elinkinga, Miss_Enhle_Zulu. On TikTok, Miss_Enhle. On Facebook, Miss Enhle. My details wami for bookings akhona on my socials. But ngingayishiya ne-email address uma kuwukuthi abantu bafuna ukwenza ama-bookings. Ama-bookings ungathumela email ku info.enhleevents@gmail.com. It's info.enhleevents@gmail.com.
All right, Miss Enhle, asibonge ngesikhathi sakho and we wish you all the best for your future plans.
Thank you so much. And thank you for having me. And thank you kubalaleli for ukungilalela ngalesi sikhathi. Thank you so much.
All right, ke ibinguye ke Miss Enhle Mphulaphuli. Nalapho ke ndicinga into ke besincokola nemvumi yethu namhlanje uLwesithathu 12 kaJuly 2023. Masibaleke siya kwintengiso xa sibuya sawukhangela ingoma zabaphulaphuli uKasJV.
Ingaba uyokha kule nyanga kaJuly? U-AR Boards unazo zonke izinto onokuzisebenzisa xa usokha.